Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Travis back again here at Big Boy Toy Reviews. And today we are taking a look at a bit of a different kind of figure. This one is a Figma 601 female body Makoto with tracksuit and tracksuit skirt outfit. So, as you can see, it's basically a bare body, Figma bare body. You can see on the box the accessories basically that she comes with. She basically comes with this outfit, and you can see the two different outfits on each side. And I wonder if that zipper actually works. We will see. Yeah, it's a basic standard Figma base body. You can see those horrible Figma joints poking out there. They just refuse to fix them, even though they have probably been asked a million freaking times. But it's basic Figma articulation. I don't really need to go over, exactly how this works. Ponytail. She doesn't come with any extra faces. She comes with hands, and the outfit. And so she does come with a pair of bare feet. So you can see I'm moving her around. This basic Figma body articulation. I'm not going to go into too much detail with that. If you've messed around with Figmas, you basically know what you're getting. So with that being said, let's just take a look at the accessories. Not the suit, not the tracksuit yet. Just the hands and the two pairs of feet, or the 2 feet, left and right foot. So you do get the bare feet there in these little pegs. So if you want to display her with bare feet, there are some bare feet for you. And then we have some peace hands, some weapon holding hands, and what looks like fist hands. So that's it for that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the short outfit on. Let's do the short, not the short. So we'll do the pants first and then the skirt. So I'll be right back for that. Alrighty, so here she is with the pants and jacket. And they look pretty good. They look pretty good on her. I will say they look pretty good on her. All the articulation still applies. I don't think it's too big. It is somewhat big, but it looks big on the box too. So they're not trying to hide anything. I do like this little pose here. I haven't tried to do that, but I'm sure you could. But yeah, she looks good. I do like the pants. And then you do got the sneakers. I don't think I showed you this, but the sneakers are pretty nicely done. Yeah, here's the shoes. They're not too bad. They're pretty standard sneakers. Wannabe Nike symbol right there. But anyway, getting a close-up on the jacket. So they didn't have a real zipper. So this is Velcro. You just gotta put this on top of the Velcro to close it. So they didn't go with it, but it is nicely made. It is nicely made. I do like it. I do like it. But not too much going on here. Let's go ahead and put the skirt piece on and see what that looks like. Alrighty, and here she is with the skirt piece on. So it does ride a little bit higher than in the pants. You can try to pull them down. Yeah, you can pull them down. Kind of get them right there at the waist. So that's good. They will snap right into the waist like that. So that's good. But yeah, this looks good too. This is a good look. This is a pretty decent look for her. I think I prefer the pants, to be honest with you. I do think I prefer the pants. And if you ask me, does this feel like playing with a doll? Yes, it does. It's like dressing your figures. Luckily, she doesn't have that fake hair, or else I would really feel stupid. So, it's a good look. It's a good look. I don't think it would be the look that I would be going for. I think I'm gonna stick with the pants. I don't know. I don't dislike this. I don't dislike this. I wonder if I can put those pants on another figure. I'm not gonna really be doing any comparisons. It's just a regular Figma figure. But I will show you something. I tried to. So I had some extra clothes. This clearly does not go with this figure. So this is a snail shell figure, and I thought maybe this outfit would fit on her, but this outfit might look better on this figure actually. But it obviously looks way too big on this figure. So this looks really ridiculous. And there was another figure that I think this was meant to go on. I need to go on the Hobby Link Japan website and look at when I actually got this and see what they were posing this this with, because I thought I could fit it on this figure, but clearly I can't. Oh, but anyway. But yeah, this was just a quick video to show off this figure. There's nothing really all that important about this figure. I mean, I don't think I really went over the face, but the face is pretty basic. Nothing really all that special about the face, but it does look good. It's nicely done, but they don't give you any extra face plates or anything. So, yeah, I think that is it for the review. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this figure, just leave them in the comment section. But anyway, other than that, that's it for the review. Peace.